make sure you have at least 12. Actually, you only need 12 on this number line. So divide this up into 12 even marks. Get as even as you can. And there's 12 marks, and then you can number them. And the way you're going to number them is after you put them in order from least to greatest, you're going to find the smallest number, start there, and just start numbering up your number line. Okay, so remember, 12 marks, put them in order. The smallest number starts here, and just count up by ones across your number line for your 12 marks. So do that for all 4 of these. You can use your counters and your dry erase boards, but I also want to see what it looks like on paper, because remember, you're not going to get counters for your SOLs. You're not going to have counters on the final exam, so make sure that you know how to do it with the paper, and that's also how your homework is going to be on paper. Okay, now let's talk about missing data. Missing data is the same thing. You have some data, but now I'm missing something. I'm missing one piece of data. And the way that we're going to find that missing data is we have to have the balance point, or the mean, and it's kind of like going backwards from what we've been doing. We need to know distances. So I'm going to do a couple examples, and hopefully you will understand, and we'll do a little more practicing on it. So let's see, I have some steps here. What do I need to do? I need to put my data in order. I love putting the data in order, so let's do that first. Order it from least to greatest. I have 3, 5, 7, and a couple of 9s. And then I didn't miss any. And this is important. I'm given the mean, or the balance point, of 6. So I'm going to number this number line, and my smallest number is 3, my greatest is 9. This is so big I could probably get in a lot of stuff. So I'm going to space this out. And then I'm going to number it. I have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plenty of space. And I'm going to plot those points on my number line. And once I put those points on the number line, I need to mark the mean. So you order your data, and you can even put out here and put on number line. Okay, so we're going to put them on the number line. Now we're right here, and we're going to mark the mean. And all you got to do is just put an arrow to it, circle it, somehow know where your mean is. Here we have a mean of 6. That's right there. And I'm going to circle it. And just like we did for this part, where we had to find the distances to the mean, or the balance point, we're going to do the same thing. So let's do that with our example. Let's find the distance to this mean. So the distance from here to here is 1, and the distance from here to here is 1, 2, 3. My total is 4. My total distance below the mean is 4. Let's try it with above the mean. This is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 3. So we have 3, 6, 7. All right, now we talked about this before. This is not balanced. And the reason it's not balanced is because it is missing a piece of data. And I need to figure out what that is. So I have ordered my data. I have marked the mean. I have found the distances, and I've added up the distances. And I see that they're not the same. So now I want the one distance that's less. So which one's less, 4 or 7? 4 is less. How much less is what we need to know. It is 3 less than 7. So that means on this side, I need 3 a distance of 3 to be added on this side. Well, which value, the 5, the 4, or the 3, is 3 units away from 6? That would be this one. So that means this data point is missing. So your missing data is equal to the 3. If I had another 3 here, that means I would balance everything out. And that's what you're trying to find. Which one of those is missing? So let's try it on another example. Again, first thing you do, put everything in order. I have 4, 5, 8, 9, 9, couple of 10s, and an 11. Yep, I got them all. Now we make the number line for it.